Now we will add experiences. We'll start with Arusha, where you'll see a list of available activities. We can select any of the activities listed as either optional or included. Included experiences will be added on to the overall package price, whereas optional experiences will be available to be selected on the booking page, and their costs will be added onto the total package price. When we arrive in Manyara, we'll add an afternoon game drive. This activity won't have pricing. It's simply used to give the client a clear day-by-day breakdown of what they'll be doing. On day 3, we won't include any activities as it's a travel day. In Tarangaya, we'll schedule another afternoon game drive. In the Serengeti, on day 5, we'll include an optional balloon safari in the morning. We'll also add an optional morning game drive. This gives the client flexibility to choose one or the other. Then, we'll include an afternoon game drive. Day 6 can be planned as a full-day game drive. Finally, on day 7, we won't add any activities. This is the departure day, and the client will be flying back to Arusha. And that's it. All of our experiences are now added to the itinerary. Click Next to move on to Transport.